At Bosch, we represent quality. But sometimes issues do occur. That's why customer service is here to provide you with our expertise that you can depend on. You can easily arrange an engineer visit online or phone our contact centre anytime from Monday to Friday. They will help you identify the problem. We will book a visit from our specialist engineers. They are available on weekdays from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We will text you a reminder of the visit details one day in advance. Based on your information and our specialised knowledge, we will prep the necessary spare parts from our warehouse. This will ensure that our engineer arrives with the right parts every time. At your home, the engineer will give an estimate of the repair cost depending on the warranty period and the nature of the repair. If you agree, the engineer will replace the original spare part. You will receive 3 months warranty on the repair. Everything's in working order. We resolve over 72% of the problem in a single visit. Bosch. Consider it done.